Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to make TikTok video from phone gallery, photo and videos. So for this, open your TikTok and click on the plus sign which is at the below. So these steps are the basic step whenever you make a TikTok video. Just click on it. Now after this screen opens up, you don't want to record a video, you want to click on upload, which is right beside the record button. Click on upload. Now after clicking on upload, these are all the videos you guys have recorded in your phone, and if you go on the image column, then these are all the images from your phone's gallery. So let me choose a video. I'm going to choose this video and press on next. After pressing on next, it's going to show you this video to make sure if this is the video you want to upload. And then I want to upload this video, so I'm going to press on next again. From here, it's the basic step of whichever kind of TikTok you upload, whether it is from gallery or from TikTok. Press on next. I don't want to add any title over here, so I'm just going to press on post. So my video is posting right now. So my TikTok just got posted. So as you guys can see, so this is how you post a TikTok video from your phone's gallery, photo and video. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, because we post videos like this, so to get notified for future. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.